Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kalita Stylish Ways. On this channel we do beauty and fashion with a little touch of DIY. So today's video I am doing a empties products that I used and I had, and it was just there with like one more use, and I used them all fast so I can make this video for you all because you all requested it. It was nice to know that I have products that I used up and I almost threw away, and I was like, no. Some of them I already threw in the trash and I went back and pick it up. Yeah, if you see me digging up in the trash bag for the bottles and them, yeah, you all have me doing that. When I went back in the trash for them, I rinsed them out, wiped them out, and put them in a bag. And I went through my products, like what I've been using, and it has like one more use. Use it out one time just to gather up some empties for you all. So you all better thank me and comment below which empties that you like and which one you have and you are using right now, because you all have me digging up any trash after I throw it away. But it is okay, I'll do anything for you all. Right, so let's jump into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell, and share. Sharing is caring. Right, so let's jump right. So the first empties I will be showing you all here is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water with vitamin C all-in-one brighten, removes makeup, cleans, glow, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips and eyes, dull skin even sensitive, no oil, alcohol or fragrance. So it's the micellar water. Yes, I recently purchased the blue one, so this one lasts a little way. It does last like a month or two according how constantly you're putting on your makeup, you're taking it off. This works pretty well. It takes out my makeup very good. Advice to go and get one. It have the pink bottle, the blue bottle, the yellow bottle. It doesn't matter. It does the same job. It takes out your makeup very good. I think it's like $60 something for it in Pennywise. Go and get one if you do makeup. I will always keep on buying this, but not the same color bottle. I just like, give me a pink, give me a blue, give me a yellow. It does the same thing. Make sure before you purchase it, make sure that it don't have no ingredients that you allergic to. Right, that is the only face product I finished use. I'm going on to body, the Shanti Shea Butter. And I use this to do the DIY. Just do a pretty good job. You can also purchase this, the shea butter, and do your own thing with it. Right? It's 100% natural, or you could go buy Mustafa's and buy it as well. But I buy this one in Pennywise, and it does do a great job. It leaves your body moisturized as always. Right? Now, body wash. I have 3 body wash. So let me take this one first. Lifebuoy Hygiene Body Wash Active Silver Formula. Total 199.9% germ protection. I wouldn't lie, the smell. going back in Pennywise and buy one. Yeah. My next Pennywise, all you'll see one in this. Let me tell you all about this. You see where your kids, see? So your kids playing, they can use this body wash to kill germs. It's for hygiene. If you work out in the gym, if you exercise, and you come home and you take a shower, you can use this first before you're using your other body wash. It's 99.9% germs protection. When I'm exercising, I use this first and then I'm going with my next body wash. And it smells real good. When I mean good, real good. When you go in the bathroom and you bathe and you put on this and you wash. And wash your body with this. The whole bathroom smell real nice. And the liquid is very soapy. It have your body feeling smooth and nice. The consistency of the soap is very nice and give you a good wash. When you're done, you're feeling refreshed. So you can always buy one for you or your kids. It doesn't matter. You can buy for anybody. But I like to use this when I'm done exercise. I wash out all the germs, have your body feeling soft and nice. And then I go in with my next body wash. Next body wash is this Dove. This Dove body wash. I did not purchase this in Pennywise. I purchased this body wash when I was in Italy. Right. I never saw it in Pennywise. If you all see this in Pennywise, which Pennywise, let me know. I need to buy next one in this. You see how Dove body washes be thick and nice? This one not so thick, it's more runny, but still yet it gives you that smooth consistency on your skin. It moisturizes your skin. If you're using bar soap and the bar soap dries out your skin and you come and use this afterwards, hey, the skin getting back that moisture in it. This is a good Dove body wash. I need to get a next one in this. I went long circular mall the other day, but I have not seen it. I don't know if other Pennywise have it. But if you all see this in any other branch, please reach out to me and let me know what branch you see it in. I will be purchasing it because this is real good. And I need to get it and it smells very nice. Still have the scent in it. It still has soap in it though. It still has soap in it. So I need to purchase a next one in this. It's in Spanish, so I don't understand what it means. I cannot read Spanish, sorry. My bad. The next body wash is restores hydration so skin feels healthy, fresh, outlast. Notes of orchard and blackberry. Body wash, Olay. So this have orchard and blackberry, black currants, sorry, black currants. I purchased this body wash in Pennywise. When I went back I saw it, but I wanted to try something new now. I always purchase in Olay, Dove, that's it. But these days I have to discover other body wash, but this smells good. It smells real good. I really like how this smell. I feel when I go back I will buy a next one in this. This lathers a lot. Even this I know lathers a lot. And it moisturizes skin and how your skin feeling smooth and nice like a baby. I need to get back this same, how to say it, fragrance. Yeah, the same fragrance. Yeah, I need to get back this one. This and this, I need to get it back. Now we are going on to hair products. I do not really buy hair products in Pennywise. I buy my products online. Only 2 products I have here that I purchase in a store by me where I live, and I will show you all that first. First product I purchased is the new cream of Nature aloe and black castor oil healthy and long for fighting shampoo for weak breakage prone damaged hair. No sulfate, silicones, petroleum or minerals oil. I did also buy the deep conditioner in it, but I did use all that first and fast. The reason why I bought this was that time my hair was dropping a lot, I was stressing out a lot, and I buy this to restore my hair back. Would I buy this back for my hair if my hair get back damaged? Yes, I would buy it back. It does work pretty well. Even self, I have the pure honey shampoo in it of the cream of Nature. I didn't finish that. That's still in the bathroom. I am still using that as well. Next product is Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils. Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard for natural curls coils. Sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum for natural curls, coils and weaves. Enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Would I be purchasing this back? No. I will not be purchasing this back because this product do not work well on my hair. It may work well on some people's hair, but not my hair. I find when I put this in my hair wet, when my hair dry, it feeling crispy. I don't know why, but this does not agree with my hair. Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coil does not agree with my hair, so I will not be purchasing this back. Next, Empties. These Empties that I have here is what I bought online. Yes, they do sell down here, 1 or 2 sell down here, but when they have sale, I just run and purchase everything. Roseman strengthening hair muscle infused with biotin and encourage growth. There's the rosemary mint, right? There's like a deep conditioner. This work real good. Will I be purchasing this back? Yes, I will be purchasing this back. I also have the rosemary mint daily styling cream. I also have the shampoo. Yes, the shampoo is still there. It still have a lot in it. I have half a bottle of it. Shampoo does last longer than the creams or the deep conditioners or the oil, because the shampoo, you put a little bit in here and it does go a long way. I need to get back this. I know where I am purchasing it. Look out for a hair products, natural hair products for my hair. Look for hole in that. So yes, I will be purchasing this back. It does work good when you use all the products together, like the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, the cream. I cannot wait for the blowout sale again. As we all meals, pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. Cleanse with rich lather and silky slips to pre-detangled thick curls type for hair, sulfate free. This shampoo lasts me 2 years. I'm not lying to tell you all, it lasts me 2 years. Reason why? A little bit go a long way, it lathers a lot. And besides that, I do not have one shampoo, I have more than one shampoo. And yes, I will be purchasing this back again. I also have the Miel's Brazilian Curl Cocktail Curl Cream for dry and curly hair type. This works good as well. It smells good as well. All her products smells good. Yes, I will be purchasing this because this is my second one. And I need to buy next one. I am a person, when I put in products in my hair, I don't put one product. I don't put one product. I will mix this with this. Sometimes with this. Yeah, that's me. That's why my curls pop like that. I will be buying this again. Curlsdynasty Icing on Curl Whip Hair Butter. This, you all need to get it. You all need to get this. I never saw it down here. I purchased this online. And your sis here needs to go and do some hair damage. I need to get back this. This is a boss. You can use this alone. And your curls popping. I don't need to add to it. Your curls popping with this alone. So you know I need to go and buy some products right now. All my hair products is running out. It's running out. I need to go and get me some hair products. The last empties that I have today is Curlsdynasty Color Hairy Smooth Leave-In. This also works good when you use the leave-in, so you get some damages to do. You all should try this product. Curlsdynasty, it works real good. So guys, that's it for empties. That's all I gathered for you. It was a quick gather. You all make me use up the last few things I had here, but some already done, which I run back to in the trash for. So I was like, I'm gonna hurry up and use this. One. Yeah. Just to put up our empties. And this is my first empty video, so I hope I did well by explaining you if I am buying it or not, or if the product worked good. I'm a natural chick. My hair are natural, right? So you'll be getting natural products from me. Empties products, right? Empties. Sorry. So this is it for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell and share. Sharing is caring. Next video I will come on looking a little pretty. Today I'm not feeling pretty. Today I'm feeling hot and down. See y'all in my next video. Bye.